I saw this taco recipe on TikTok and it has over 160 million views. At first I thought, it looks good, but 160 million good? Because it's basically crispy beef, melted cheese and this insane avocado sauce. So today I'm making it exactly like the video to see if it actually deserves all that hype. First I'm dicing half an onion. I just want small pieces because... By the way, if your onion pieces aren't perfectly even, don't worry, nobody's gonna care. I mean, look at mine. You can see mine isn't perfectly chopped either, but the goal is just to keep the pieces as even in size as possible. I'm adding some oil to the pan with diced onions and frying them until golden brown. Just be careful not to burn them, like I have done before. Then I will add 500 grams of beef. Breaking it up as it cooks so it doesn't stay in large chunks. I like to let it sit for a moment at first so it can start to brown, because that's where a lot of flavor comes from. And later I'm gonna add taco seasoning and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and keep stirring. After everything is mixed well, it's time to prepare tortillas. Guess what? My camera stopped working. For avocado sauce, first I'm gonna add 1 avocado, lime juice, half a jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and some seasoning. I will add coriander after blending a couple of seconds. I want coriander to be visible in my sauce because I think it looks much better than it just blended green sauce. And here I think it needs more liquid, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt, olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. And this is the final texture of the sauce. It is silky and creamy. For tacos, I'm gonna add cheese on the half of the tortilla, beef, and cheese again. After I finish the whole batch, I'm gonna put neutral oil in the pan over medium heat. I'm gonna place tortillas inside and wait until golden brown, which takes a minute. I mean, listen to the sound. It's amazing. After a minute, I will flip them around and give another minute. And they're done. With these ingredients, you should get around 4 tacos. And here is the result. And let's get B-roll started. And if you ask my honest review, this taco is an average taco, and I can't believe this recipe got 160 million views. But the most elevating thing in this story is the avocado sauce. It is sour, a little bit spicy. I mean, listen to the sound. It literally completes the taco. By the way, we got cheese pool going to space. I wish you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching, and see you next week.